This is the InBike brand men's hooded waterproof cycling rain jacket, built to protect you from wind and rain, lightweight with plenty of pockets to store all the things you might need when out exploring. No matter if it's a road or a mountain bike ride, the jacket fits very well with both. Very curious to see how long it will last. Few months of use without getting destroyed will truly justify the price for it. Obviously there is a discount code for all of you guys watching this video. It is in the description of the video and gives you a 15% discount on anything you purchase from their company. Back to the fun part. Who is InBike and where did that jacket came from? Well, let's just go with what they have said in their website, that they're a group of friends gathered because of the love of cycling. They made the decision and founded InBike in 2007. They explore with curiosity and are keen on developing different kinds of accessories. What is very interesting about the brand is that recently they introduced that they will start using rPET fabric for their products. The benefits of it is obviously massively helping our lovely planet in many ways, so big thumb up for that idea, guys. Back to the specifications of this lovely looking black jacket. A 10,000mm H2O index is the waterproof index and can strongly prevent water from in and even through when faced with bad weather. Someone said bad weather. I live in Wales. Haha. The jacket is breathable via hose placed at the back of the jacket. This is something I have not seen much in other brands. Most other jackets just have pit zippers to do that job. Benefit of having the hose at the back is that really makes the jacket much less stiffer. The hood at the back is detachable, of a very good size, adjustable to make sure your head and eyesight stays dry when the weather surprises you, or in my case, it's always raining. The jacket has plenty of pockets to accommodate all your necessary things, such as phone, important documents, a snack, or even your GoPro batteries and camera. The extra pocket at the back gives more storage for more important stuff that you need when out and about exploring. Well, to be honest, this really sums it up and hopefully did give you an idea of this product. Can't wait to see how long it will last, and we'll update the description after a few months of riding and testing to tell you how it holds. Honor talking to you guys again, and see you in the next one, where we will be visiting Revolution Bike Park for some super crazy scents and yet again pushing the skills further. Stay tuned.
Yeah, thank you. Oh my god.